In this video, we explore inheritance, one of the most powerful ideas in object-oriented Python. It lets you build new classes by reusing code you have already written. Without inheritance, you would copy the same code into every class that shares behavior. Inheritance lets a child class reuse everything the parent already defined, so you only write the differences. Imagine a family blueprint that describes shared traits like having a name and being able to eat. Every child in the family inherits those traits, but a cat also adds its own behavior, like meowing. We start by defining the parent class animal. Its dunder init stores a name, and its eat method prints that the animal is eating. This is ordinary class code you already know. Writing animal in parentheses, after cat tells Python that cat is a subclass of animal. Cat automatically inherits the dunder init and the eat method, without us writing them again. We create a cat called Whiskers and call eat on it. That method came from animal for free. Then we call speak, which is cat's own method. A cat is an animal. Running the program prints two lines. Whiskers is eating comes from animal's eat method, and Whiskers says meow comes from cat's own speak method. Inheritance delivered the first line for free. When a subclass defines a method with the same name as the parent, it overrides it. Python will always call the most specific version first, so the parent's original method is untouched for other classes. Inheritance lets you write shared code once in a parent class and reuse it in as many subclasses as you need. Reach for it whenever two classes share behavior and one is clearly a specialized version of the other.